delicate flower that you are. I hope you're in your power, like you were at the start. I hope you found a rosy avenue to walk down. I hope she sees the beauty in your crown. I hope you're not still again after all my crimes. I know I was a bastard, I'll do the time. 'Cause you were the best of them. I still regret that I didn't lay you gently down at all. If I could change one thing, I would have heard you sing every note that broke loose in your soul. 'Cause you were the bird and I was the boat. I wrote a sweet, sweet melody to remedy the chemistry. The steep, clean living's got me breaking down. I'll cry for you tonight and pray you'll find the courage I left to find. And delicate hammer, and that you were. I hear you haven't broken all that you hold dear. Doesn't mean the words you've spoken to your pride to be. I kinda had more open than the ones you gave to me. So safe beneath your body, your metal arms around me. Could have swept away forever, but the rat shook the hound and she was bleeding a beat. Oh, it seems like a lifetime has passed since fate dropped you like a penny a note. Now you have a queen for your pasture, 'cause you were the bull I was just flying past, yeah. I wrote a sweet, sweet melody to remedy the chemistry. These bleak teen memories got me stopping out. I'll try for you tonight to see your light. And will it shine? Whoa, oh, oh, beautiful souls, I love to hold you. I hope you find some comfort now my nights are cold. So scared to be alone without, so scared to be without your love. Delicate brother, I know we could have stayed, but something undercover says I need to change. I'm standing on my own 2 feet now, just the way you said I need. I do. I hope you're proud of me. I hope you're proud of me. I wrote a sweet, sweet melody to remedy the chemistry, 'cause leaving you is stinging like a wound. But solitude is what I simply can't refuse. I'll take a bone, just let the bird